Hello, welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you I can reset the service indicator of an Opel Grandland 2019 model. We turn the ignition on. There is an indicator, wrench indicator, that says that the service has to be done on this car. After doing that, you need to get rid of that indicator, and I'm going to show you how you can get rid of that. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel is Service Reset My Car. Have a look at the channel for more than 500 other videos on how to reset different model cars. Use the comment area if you have any questions, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, first of all, there are two buttons over it, the check and the 000 button. We're gonna use the check button to reset the indicator. Turn the ignition off. Yes, then press the check button on the left side of the combi cluster. Press the ignition back on, or turn the ignition back on, and you'll see a timer counting back from 10 to 0. And when it reaches 0, then you can release the check button and do the check. And if it is correctly done, the indicator or the wrench indicator should not appear with the remaining distance for service reset. As you can see, it doesn't come back. That was it for this video. I want to thank you for taking your time watching our videos, and hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.